Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fresh fruit salad. To start, select a vibrant mix of ripe, seasonal fruits. Think about combining different colors and textures for visual appeal and taste. Always remember to wash all your fruits thoroughly under cool, running water before you begin any cutting. This ensures cleanliness and prepares them perfectly for your culinary creation. Now let's get to the fun part, preparing your chosen fruits. Begin by carefully peeling and coring any fruits that require it, like a juicy pineapple or crisp apple. Then, cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes the salad easier to eat and visually appealing. Remember to add delicate fruits, such as berries, last to avoid crushing them during mixing. To elevate your fruit salad, consider a simple, refreshing dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. For an extra layer of flavor, you can even add a pinch of finely chopped fresh mint or basil. Gently pour this delightful dressing over your prepared fruit and toss everything together until it's evenly coated. Finally, it's time to enjoy your beautiful creation. For the best taste, serve your fruit salad chilled. You can add a lovely finishing touch by garnishing it with a few fresh mint leaves or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.